And the track continues. Yeah, so the premise of me trying to find out about the ownership is, and I put this in my email, is that I want to try and help protect woodlands like this. Because as far as I can see, this has no national protection. A private landowner, I've heard, owns this part, and then potentially 3/4 of it over there is owned by a larger organisation like the National Coal Board. So until these areas, these pockets of woodland that are dotted about all over, are given some at least local wildlife status, and I know for a fact the Barnsley Biodiversity Action Plan, and this is part of Barnsley District, South Yorkshire, it doesn't have a local wildlife status classification. However, their information suggests that at least part of it will be classed as ancient woodland, which suggests at least 400 years worth of uninterrupted use as a woodland, if not longer.